Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something pretty exciting, the Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system. This isn't just another quadcopter. It's being presented as a complete package designed to deliver an unparalleled flying experience. Whether you're just starting out or you've been flying FPV for years. Right off the bat, the headline feature is that video quality. We're talking Ultra HD 4K resolution at a smooth 60 frames per second, paired with an advanced O3 air unit and a powerful 6S 2450 kV VDX. This system is built to capture stunning, ultra-clear aerial footage. The description highlights its anti-shake capabilities and advanced TPU shock absorption, which is crucial for keeping that 4K image stable and clear, even during dynamic freestyle maneuvers or when navigating challenging environments. This focus on stable, high-definition capture makes it sound like a serious contender for cinematic projects and immersive videography. Looking at the build, the drone is constructed with high-toughness, impact-resistant materials, including grain-cut carbon fiber, that suggests it's designed to take a hit, which is definitely a plus in the FPV world. The embedded cob light strip in the propeller guard is a nice touch, adding both visibility, which is important for safety and orientation, and a cool aesthetic appeal. Underneath, it's powered by efficient and powerful 1804 motors. These motors, combined with the 6S power system, should provide smooth, responsive flights, giving the pilot precise control whether they're cruising or pushing the limits with acrobatic moves. The drone is described as being both stable and agile, making it versatile for different flying styles. It's also marketed as beginner-friendly, which is interesting for an advanced system like this. Features like app-controlled functionality and potentially long battery life, though battery life always varies with flying style, contribute to that accessibility. The fact that it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments adds to its versatility. The product description positions this drone as more than just a flying camera. It's an extension of your creative vision and a reliable partner. It aims to elevate every cinematic project and provide a ticket to breathtaking aerial views. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or serene landscapes, the goal is spectacular shots every time. Overall, this Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system with the O3 air unit seems to pack a serious punch in terms of image quality, performance, and durability. It's presented as a versatile tool for anyone looking to get into or advance their aerial videography and FPV flying. It sounds like it's trying to bridge the gap between a robust FPV platform and a high-quality cinematic tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.